So if I were to offer you a basic guide to rose growing, what would I say? Well, I'd say start down at the very bottom with the soil. Roses traditionally are supposed to like clay soil. They can grow on sand, but what they do love is moisture at the roots. Plenty of muck worked in. You can see that the ground here looks very organic, almost like fruitcake. They love moisture. And that will help to stop them from showing signs of mildew, that white powdery stuff, and black spot. It's when they're short of moisture that they tend to get these diseases. But they do need food. Sprinkle some rose fertiliser around the soil above the roots in March and again in June.